Breaking. A black hole at the center of our galaxy just did something scientists said was impossible. They found ice-cold gas clouds floating in the most violent place in space, just above the Milky Way's black hole. These clouds are minus 260 degrees Celsius, colder than Pluto, and they should not be there, unless the black hole recently erupted and blasted material thousands of light years away. Think of it like a sneeze from the heart of the galaxy, powerful enough to shape stars, planets, maybe even life. This explosion could have happened just a few million years ago, when dinosaurs still roamed Earth. That means, we are living in the aftermath of a cosmic detonation no one saw coming. If our black hole can sneeze like that, what else is it hiding? Follow for more mysteries that science is just starting to uncover.